Hello aspirant, in Medieval Indian History series, we have completed Vijayanagar and Bahmani Kingdom. Today's topic is Provincial Dynasties. While the Vijayanagar Empire and the Bahmani Sultanate dominated South India and the Deccan region, North and Western India witnessed the rise of several independent provincial dynasties due to the weakening of the Delhi Sultanate. The important among them were Bengal, Jaunpur, Malwa, Kashmir, and Gujarat. Talking about the first independent province is Bengal. Its location was in eastern India. During the reign of Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq in Bengal, it was divided into eastern Bengal, northern Bengal, and southern Bengal. In 1338 CE, Bengal was the first province to become independent from Delhi Sultanate. Its founder was Samshuddin Ilyas Shah, and its capital was in Bandua. Here, the Adina Mosque was built by Sikandar Shah, and the most famous sultan was Ghiyasuddin Azam Shah. The prominent sultans of Bengal were Sikandar Shah, Azam Shah, Sultan Jalauddin Muhammad Shah, Shamsuddin Ahmad Shah, Jalauddin Fateh Shah, and Nusrat Shah. After that, Bengal was thus annexed by Sher Shah Suri, who established the Sur dynasty. In 1586, Akbar conquered Bengal and made it into a Suba, which is province. Now next one is Jaunpur. Its location was in eastern part of Delhi Sultanate. It also known as the Siraj of India. Talking about the main ruler of the Jaunpur was Malik Sarwar, who was also the governor of Jaunpur, who was the founder of Sarki dynasty. Got the title of Khwaja Jahan and Sultan Sharq, which is the master of the East. Next ruler Hussain Shah Sarki, who built Jama Masjid in Jaunpur in 1470. Jaunpur evolved a distinct architecture which is Sarki style of architecture. Next ruler Ibrahim Sarki, who got the title of Siraj-e-Hind and built Atala Mosque. Next province was Malwa and the location was in southeastern province. It was founded as an independent state by Hussain Khan Gauri, also known as Dilwar Khan, in 1401. He shifted the capital from Dhar to Mandu. Next ruler was Mahmud Shah Khilji, who was the founder of Khilji dynasty in Malwa. Medini Rai was the prime minister and Ahmad Shah of Gujarat and Rana Kumbha of Mewar were the contemporary rulers. Mahmud Shah Khilji got the title of Sultan and confirmed by the Caliph of Egypt. He constructed a 7-story pillar in Mandu, founded a college and built a hospital. In 1562, Akbar conquered Malwa. The next topic will be Kashmir and Gujarat.